In this quick guide, I'll show you exact save file location for FIFA 15 on PC so you can pack up, restore or fix your game easily. Open a file explorer and go to C tab and go to users folder and open your username folder. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username. Now open the username folder and now open the documents folder and open this FIFA 15 and this is where all your game files will be saved. To pack up this file, just right click on this FIFA 15, just copy and paste it in another location. Before updating the game or switching to a new PC, do it because you can easily restore your game progress in your new PC. Just copy and paste it in this location and it's gonna be restored your game progress. And that's all you have to do it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.